Hey, welcome to another edition of Fend for Yourselves. Look, we got a little bit more summer left, so we know you're going to be doing, at least one more cookout, maybe two. Doesn't matter. Either way, you're going to be cooking some hot dogs. And today, I'm going to show you how to crank up your hot dog experience. Get those dogs spicy. Let's go. Okay, today, this is gonna be so easy, except I'm not really teaching you technique of anything. I'm just showing you how to make your hot dog experience a little bit better, if you want, just to change it up. When a plain weenie won't do anymore, you can do this. And I've never been a fan of a plain weenie. I like my weenie to be fancy. I like for it to stand out and get attention and make people go, like that. So that's what we're going to do. So here's what it is. Andouille sausage instead of a regular old weenie. There you go. This is what I use. We do not advertise for this company. I use this because it is about the only andouille sausage I can get in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm from Louisiana originally. Actually, these little sausage links are pretty good, depending on what you're using them for. Since we're making hot dogs out of them today, I think they're going to do just fine. They're a little bit spicy if you're not used to it, but other than that, you're going to be all right. So we're going to butterfly these, and that's why I had to go put on my glasses, because I can't be butterflying, cutting anything, and not being able to see. So you just take your knife and run it down the middle this way. Don't go all the way to the bottom of the board, and then just split it open like that. Hard, huh? It's so difficult. Oh, it's a good thing I've had all this training, or I wouldn't be able to do it. Here we go. Then do this one. I know a lot of people are nosy. You want to know about the story behind everything. Yes, I'm a big fan of the Singer Jelly Roll. So my little friend Jenny got me a Jelly Roll t-shirt. I love it. And no, I'm not wearing a watch today. Everybody's always like, I like your watches. I'm not wearing a watch today. And you know why? A very important reason. It's because I forgot to put it on before we started. So there. All right, now I went and made some Colby Jack cheese. I made that right before we started today. It looks like you would have bought it in the store in a package where it was already sliced together, but all right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna run the knife through here like this, making little strips out of a slice of cheese. I mean, I hope you've graduated up to this level, because this is really hard stuff. Okay, and we're making little strips. Okay, look at that. All right, here we go. I'm doing this on the stove today in a skillet. You can do the same thing on your grill. If you are cooking outside, you can do it on the grill. And you don't have to use the same kind of cheese. You use whatever you want to use. It's up to you. I don't care. So I'm going to hit that with a little Pam non-stick cooking spray. Now you want to go in with the dogs, and you're going to lay them open side down first on about a medium-high heat. And we're just going to let them brown for a couple of minutes just to get a little crust on them and heat them through, because they're already fully cooked. When you buy smoked sausage like this, they're fully cooked. Like I could have eaten that before heating it or anything, just taking it out of the package and eating. I don't recommend that, but I could have done it. Then again, I'm a superhero and you're not. Well, whatever.
Hey, it's Ace, and if you're into games, TCGs like Pokemon or Magic the Gathering, I am standing in your little piece of heaven. It's the Mighty Meeple in Concord. This is dual lands from the Unlimited set. Cards from every Magic set for the past 30 years. It's all right here. Commander decks, all of them for the past 20 years. And when it comes to the biggest game in the world, Pokemon, they've got everything from base set to the most recent games. As you can see, there's always something happening at the Meeple. If you're looking to power up your games, Check them out, The Mighty Meeple, acetj.com/games.
One of the worst things that can happen to your house is a buildup of mold and mildew in your crawl space. Let the experts at Cardinal Environmental Solutions come and inspect your crawl space and treat it so your house is safe for you and your family. Go to acetj.com/cardinal today.
All right, we've had these on about 3 or 4 minutes on that one side, and then you see, flip it over, you just get a little bit of that crust on there, and you're getting a little bit of charring going. All right, now this is where we're gonna bring these cheese strips in, put them right there. Oh yes, excellent, excellent. And the other one. And we're gonna let it cook on that side until the other side gets brown, which won't take very long. And while it's browning, the cheese is melting in that delicious vessel of andouille sausage. All right, here we go. We're gonna remove them. It's been a couple of minutes. And when you remove them, just pick them like that and put it in the bun thusly. Now I like to use these top split buns. You can use, again, whatever kind of bun you want. It's your business, you and your buns. I have to spread this one out a little more, fit it in there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so you see what it looks like now. Now we're gonna go over here and add another secret ingredient. Shove that down in there, which is bacon. I'm gonna throw some right here. Now, I just happen to have cooked bacon here, because I snack on it all the time, like Elvis did. Now, I cooked that beforehand, so if you like bacon on it, then you can do your own bacon. Just have it ready and throw it on. I didn't think it was necessary to show you how to cook bacon, but all right, so Mr. Todd said that he likes his hot dogs with ketchup, chili, and slaw. So he's getting ketchup. I don't have any of those other things. So tell me when. Ooh.
That's good.
Ooh, look at that. Sorry. And then I'm going to just put a little mustard on one, and I'll call that mine. But again, you put whatever you want on it. You put some relish, you put however you would eat a hot dog. This is the way you're going to eat that. It's just going to be a lot more flavorful than a plain old weenie. All right, there's nothing hard about this. And you know, if you want to make fun and go, that's really something special, you made a hot dog. Or it's just to show you the different flavors that you can change up traditional things. Mr. Todd, try your andouille dog.
What's it called?
It's an andouille dog. Andouille sausage, cheese, and bacon.
Oh, good.
And he's been eyeing these all day. He keeps going, what are you doing with that bacon? What are you going to do with that bacon? All right, so right there. All right, so it's a success if Mr. Todd likes it. So
that'd be good for tailgates.
Yep.
Football season come up. You gonna eat yours?
Yeah, I'll get it in a minute. I'm gonna finish telling the peoples thank you for watching TJ's Fend for Yourselves and other TJ's things. Thanks for watching Fend for Yourselves. We really appreciate it. And tell all your friends about it. Get them to watch, because we need as many people watching as possible. I'm looking at this kind of as my ministry, my food ministry. If we say that, maybe more people will come join. All right, I love you. I love you all, but I got to go.